The Epson Tank L3210 is an all-in-one ink tank printer that is popular for its slow running costs and high-quality printing. Some of its key features include ink tank system. The Tank L3210 comes with a high-capacity ink tank system that can print up to 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 pages in color with a single set of ink bottles. Print quality. It offers high-quality printing with a maximum resolution of 5760 by 1440p, making it ideal for printing documents, photos, and graphics. Print speed. The Tank L3210 can print up to 33 pages per minute, ppm, in black and white and up to 15 parts per million in color. Connectivity. It comes with USB connectivity, allowing you to print directly from your computer or laptop. User-friendly. The Tank L3210 is easy to set up and use, with a user-friendly control panel and a simple ink refilling system. Overall, the Epson Tank L3210 is a reliable and cost-effective option for home and small office printing needs.